What the hell's going on?
The U.S. Comedy Arts Festival tribute to
Monty Python!
What a lovely day.
starring John Cleese,
Terry Gilliam!
Eric Idle,
Derek Jones!
Michael Pylan,
And Grant Chapman!
and hosted by Robert Klein. Ladies and gentlemen, your host, Robert Klein.
The BBC would like to announce that the next scene is not considered suitable for family viewing. There are also scenes of naked women with floppy breasts. And also, at one point, you can see a pair of buttocks. And there's another bit where I'll swear you can see everything. But my friend says it's just the way he's holding the spear.
And now for something completely different.
Trouble at mill.
Oh, no.
One old crossbeam's gone out to school on Treadle.
But what on earth does that mean?
I don't know. Mr. Wentworth just told me to come in here and say that there was trouble at the mill, that's all. I didn't expect a kind of Spanish Inquisition.
Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. Our chief weapon is surprise. Surprise and fear. Fear and surprise. Our two weapons are fear and surprise and ruthless efficiency. Our three weapons are fear and surprise and ruthless efficiency and an almost fanatical devotion to the Pope. Our four. No.
So on and so on and so on. And now?
Rumpeltweezer ran the Dinky Tinky shop, in the foot of the magic oak tree, by the wobbly dum-dum bush, in the shade of the magic glade, down in Dingley Dell. Here he sold contraceptives and...
My hovercraft is full of eels. My hovercraft is full of eels.
Matches. Huh?
Yeah. Do you want to come back to my place? Bouncy.
Good morning. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting, but I'm afraid my walk has become rather sillier recently, and so it takes me rather long. Now then, what was it again?
Well, sir, I have a silly walk, and I'd like to obtain a government grant to help me develop it.
I see. May I see your silly walk?
Yes, certainly, yes.
That's it, is it?
Yes, that's it, yes.
It's not particularly silly, is it? I mean, the right leg isn't silly at all, and the left leg merely does a forward aerial half-turn every alternate step.
Yes, but I think with government backing, I could make it very silly.
Mr. Pewdie, the very real problem is one of money. I'm afraid that the Ministry of is no longer getting the kind of support that it needs. You see, there's defence, social security, health, housing, education, city walks. They're all supposed to be but last year, the government spent less on the Ministry of City Walks than it did on national defence. Now, we get £348 million a year, which is supposed to be spent on all our available products. Coffee?
Yes, please.
I can't answer that.
There's many broken hearts on this couch here. That was cruel. That was mean.
Okay. Okay. Who's going to struggle most with the dance routines? Because there are dance routines.
Artificial knee, artificial hip.
I've got two
That's a good
artificial
dance
hips.
routine, isn't it?
Wait a minute.
Artificial hip.
You've got two artificial hips? No, not artificial. They're replacements.
Well, why did you say artificial then? Doddery old idiot. I'm leaving. I can't.
This will do nothing for ticket sales.
No. He has to go every 10 minutes. He has to go. I'm afraid. You know, don't mention it. Just cut him out at that point. Yeah. Oh, here he comes again. Oh, that's good. Yeah.
We can edit around this. It'll be fine. No one will know.
The great thing is that without John, we can...
Surprise! Oh, it's beautiful. It's like a Christmas card. Here's the thing. This is my final boy band question. When people go to see you at the O2, is it all greatest hits, or are you going to be doing new material?
It's all greatest hits, really.
Very old material.
Intertwined with other people, other
people?
No.
We'll come up with a few new ideas, but the thing is, people want to see the old stuff, no matter how fucking bored we are with it. They want to see it, and we don't want to disappoint them. And also, we can remember the words, which is a big advantage.